If you want to scan QR codes on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, you have two main ways that allow you to do so. The first method is to use the camera. In the photo mode over here, we can simply put the QR code within the frame. And there we go. As you can see, the QR code is immediately read. We can see the link. We can tap on it in order to open the link in the browser, or we can tap on these three dots on the right side in order to find additional options over here. The second method to scan QR codes is by going to the control center over here, and in this case we can try to find the QR code scanner. In my case it is in this place over here, so I can tap on it in order to open the QR code, and it is also pretty much immediately scanned, and I can open the link in the browser. And that's pretty much it. In addition to that, if you have a QR code saved as a photo, then using this QR code scanner you can also choose this button over here, scan from photo, and then you should be able to scan the QR code like this from a photo. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.